Here I have Google Pixel 6a, and today I'm going to show you how to take a motion photo or live photo or moving image, or like call it as you want. On every device is called like the other way. So on this device, so firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings. Okay, so here it's called top shot. Then I'm going to show you how to take a top shot. So you can like set it to off, auto, or just turn it on. So when you have it turned on, let's try to take some moving image. I'm gonna move a flower and take a picture of it. Okay, this is a video. It's not what I meant. So as you can see, this shot is actually moving. When you hold your finger on it, it moves a bit. So yeah, that's how this photo works. You just like take photo, but if you hold your finger on it in gallery, it will slightly move. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.